My name is Marcell Gentles, and I worked with STEAM and AI to make a project, to make a tool for young people, teens, and young adults who are looking to enter the workforce to analyze their social media presences and make sure that their online presence and the kinds of content they're putting up on there are only going to help them and not hurt them. So to achieve this, I worked with a mentor named Troy Kling from UC Santa Barbara. He's he's getting a PhD in math there, and he has a really strong computer science background. So he helped me learn all about machine learning, AI, what the differences are, and together we created a sentiment analysis tool. So we interfaced with Twitter's API using a Python library called Tweepy. And throughout this whole process, I went from starting out learning Python. That was the first couple months of this project, was just me learning Python and understanding. Then next was understanding machine learning. After that, I actually began to work on coding scripts, for example, first to pull tweets from Twitter to build a data set to work with. Then I learned about some different machine learning models and coded a training algorithm into them. So I was able to code enough where I could train these machine learning models and extract features from the tweets and learn all this cool machine learning stuff. And the end result was a tool where you could type in a username and specify some parameters like how many of your most recent tweets would you like to look at? Would you like to look at your retweets as well, and maybe your replies, all different kinds of little details about your Twitter. But using those parameters, it could return to you a list of your recent tweets, however many you specified, along with a link to each one, so you can click it and then take action if it needs to be looked over or deleted, or if you just want to see who's interacted with it. You can all do it from my application. So we put that together, and then also it gives you a label. And what I didn't do, but I'm actually looking into in the future, is redoing this project, but instead of just a distinct label as positive or negative, maybe do something where it can fall somewhere in between. And that's a machine learning thing called regression, as opposed to classification, putting things in two distinct classes or multiple distinct classes. So I learned a lot during this project. Some of the harder lessons were that, especially when you're just busy and you have a lot of things going on in your life, you need to, if you're working on a big project like this, you need to pace yourself and make sure to chip away at the project little by little, instead of trying to do it in huge chunks that take a short amount of time, because that'll leave you feeling stressed out. It'll leave you kind of forgetting what you're doing in the time between your big sprints. And beyond that, another thing I learned is that it's really important to leave documentation in your code. So you have to leave enough comments and things like that for you to understand, so for you to fix problems, but also for other people to understand what's going on with your code, because the most powerful tool in this whole realm is collaboration. And when you leave clear comments about what your code is doing, other people can help you out and work with it just like they programmed it themselves. So I guess some of the final things I want to say are that I had just a really great experience with this program, and I was able to put it on my college applications and show them that I care about making an impact on the world, and that I'm dedicated to learning about these topics, because it's really something that I've discovered I'm passionate about. And so this has left me feeling like I want to continue doing this in the future, and I'm really looking forward to computer science. So thank you, Data Ethics for All.